Hey guys, it's Eric with Varus Engineering, and today we got a really simple install on our GV STI. Hold on. Hey guys, it's Eric from Varus Engineering, and today we got a really simple install for your GV STI or WRX. It's a hood scoop block off, which is very similar to the VA style that we've had a lot of success with recently. Basically, the unit reduces underhood pressure by blocking off the hood scoop if you no longer have a top mount intercooler. If you have a top mount intercooler, this is not the product for you. If you have a large front mount intercooler, this could be the product for you if you're no longer using the hood scoop for anything. Basically, by decreasing pressure under hood, you improve cooling system efficiency. So high pressure in the front of the core pack, and then low pressure behind it, that improves flow through the cooling system. This, when it's open, actually increases underhood pressure, which makes this airflow through the cooling stack work that much harder to get through it. By blocking off the hood scoop, you will also see a decrease in lift, especially if you couple them with our hood louvers. So that's a great idea to do both at the same time, again, if you have a front mount and if it makes sense for your specific car. To do the install, it's very simple. I will first go over what's included in the kit, and then I will show you the tools involved, and then we'll actually get to the install. So let's get to it. All right, so I have everything laid out. So this is the actual hood scoop delete. We have M4 hardware, so this is M4 button head cap screw. This is an M4 fender washer, and then these are M4 clip-on nuts that will install into the hood. As far as tools that you'll need a flathead screwdriver, and I believe that's a 2.5mm Allen wrench for the M4 button head cap screw. All right, so once you pop the hood, you can see the factory hood scoop duct. I guess that's what we'll call it. Basically, we're gonna be removing all of this. Now, as you see, we are still using the top mount, so we will be uninstalling our hood scoop block off after this install. To remove this factory duct, we're basically going to take out a bunch of these plastic push rivets, and that's what the flathead screwdriver is for. Really simple. We're just going to remove all of them. Try not to break them, but they might break because they're old and brittle. All right, so looking at it after this duct is off, you can actually remove that as well, as long as it's actually not riveted onto anything. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it. It's not hurting anything, but if you wanna remove it, looks like they're 3 8mm heads, or maybe 7, and a few more push clips, and that should actually reduce some weight under hood. So this is how you install the, we're gonna call them push nuts. So basically this barrel side goes on the top side of the hood, and I hope you can see that. You basically just put it on and it snaps into place, and then it's captivated by that hole. It's really nice and neat. You'll do the outside most one, the center most one, and then the other outside most one. All right, so the easiest way I've found to install it with at least this part on car, you can probably take this off like we did with the VA and then install it that way, but you can install it completely on car. Basically place this up and find the center, and then just work your way around. Try not to scratch the paint, and slide it under. Final part of the install is to use these M4 button head cap screws with a fender washer, install it on the hood, pull the hood scoop block off as far forward as you can, and then fully tighten it down. That locks it into place with minimal gap. Then the install is done. All right guys, that concludes the install of our hood scoop block off. Great addition if you have a front mount intercooler. Really good idea. It basically improves your coolant temps, potentially oil temps if you have an oil cooler up there, and then your intercooler temps as well. Another option is to add our hood louvers. Great option in conjunction with the hood scoop block off. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions. Till next time.